Hello future CS, welcome back to my channel again. So MCQs are a game changer in CA exams. In CA Foundation, two subjects are MCQ based, and in CA Inter and Final, MCQs are for 30 marks in each paper. And in CA Final IBS, MCQ is for 40 marks. So they not only help you score better, but they also strengthen your conceptual clarity. But many of you might be having this question from where you should practice MCQ. So in this video, I will share 9 reliable sources that every CA student should use to master MCQs. So whether you are preparing for CA Foundation, Inter or Final, this video is for you. So in this video, we will not only discuss 9 reliable sources, but we will also see how you can access these sources, so that if anyone has newly joined this CA course, they will also benefit from this video. So guys, if you are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. So the first source that we have is ICAI study material. So the ICAI study material is your primary source. It includes concept-based MCQs and also case scenario MCQs at the end of each chapter. Solving these ensure you understand the fundamentals. So after completing each chapter, you can go through the MCQ from the study material. So here I have opened the ICAI website, and here you can see new scheme of education and training. So if you scroll down, you can find the study material here. Foundation, Inter and Final, all 3 levels. Suppose you are studying for CA Inter Advanced Accounting, Chapter 1 Introduction to Accounting Standards. So when you scroll down at the end of this chapter, you can find there are different MCQs here. So same way for all the chapters, at the end of each chapter, you can find the different MCQs. So you can practice these MCQs. Even in your study day when you are preparing for your exams, it is better to keep aside 1 to 2 hours every day to practice different types of MCQ. This will help you to increase your speed as well as accuracy while solving the different MCQs. The second source that we have is mock test papers. ICAI mock test papers are a must. They simulate exam-like conditions and help you test your time management skills as well. Now we will access the mock test papers. So here we have the ICAI website. Here you can see under the section students, there is this BOS knowledge portal. Click here. So here you have the student login section. So first you will have to select the course, foundation, inter or final, and then you will have to enter your registration number, then your date of birth, and then you will have to log in here. So when you log in into the BOS knowledge portal, there you can find the mock test paper here. See, you can see here. So you can practice the different types of MCQ from this mock test paper as well. The third source is revision test papers. Revision test papers contain fresh MCQ based on the latest syllabus. They also highlight tricky areas where students usually make mistakes. So it is very important to practice MCQ from the RTP as well. So now we will see how to access the revision test papers. So back to the ICAI website again. New scheme of education and training. So if you scroll down here, you can see the revision test papers for all the 3 levels you can find here. So you can access these and you can practice the MCQs from here. Previous exam papers. Past exam MCQs are extremely helpful. Many concepts are repeated and solving these helps you understand the examiner's mindset. And it will also help you in increasing your speed in solving the MCQ. The more MCQs you solve, the more fast you will be able to solve in the exam. Now to access the previous exam papers, again you will have to go to this new scheme of education and training and you can scroll down here. So here you can see suggested answers. So these has answers for the previous exam papers. Next up we have ICAI MCQ portal. The MCQ portal on the ICAI's website provides a structured set of questions, helping you practice systematically. Now to access the MCQ portal, you will have to go to the BOS Knowledge portal and you will have to log in here as discussed earlier. So once you log in into the BOS Knowledge portal, you can see here MCQ paper practice. So you can click here and you can practice the different types of MCQs from here. The sixth source is case scenario booklet. So basically there are two types of MCQs in the exam. That is case scenario based MCQ and direct application based. So the ICA has launched the case scenario booklet. So this case scenario booklet is gold mine for the MCQs. It contains case scenario based MCQs that test your application of concepts in the real world situations. Now to access the case scenario booklet, again we have to go back to the homepage of the ICI website and again we have to go to the new scheme of education and training. And if you scroll down here, you will find the case scenarios booklet. So for both CA Inter and CA Final, this booklet has been released. From here, you can practice the different types of MCQ. The seventh reliable source is model question papers. So the ICA has also released model question papers for CA Final. So currently these model papers are released only for CA Final exams. This will give you an idea of the paper pattern and also the difficulty level so that you can practice the MCQ from here as well. So recently the ICI has released the model question papers for the CA final exams. In this also you can find the different types of MCQ. So to access this, just click on this new scheme of education and training and scroll down here and click on study material and then on CA final course. So if you scroll down here, you will find the model test papers for group 1 as well as for group 2. The eighth source for practicing MCQ is ICAI CAGPT for students. So CAGPT is a smart way to practice. It provides AI generated MCQs tailored to ICAI's pattern, helping you with unlimited practice questions. So previously I had made two videos on different methods how you can use the ICAI CAGPT to help you study for your exams. So in that, one of the techniques was how you can convert the CAGPT into a MCQ portal and how you can practice different types of MCQs. So the link to that video has been added in the end screen. So you can go and watch that video as well. The ninth source is Students Journal. ICAI Students Journal often includes concept-based MCQs, tricky questions and expert insights, making it a most valuable but often ignored resource. So it is very important to go through the student journal as well. And most of the times there are amendments also provided in the journal. And different case studies are also being covered in the journal. Last but not the least, we will see how to access the CA student journal from the ICI website. So navigate to new scheme of education and training again. And if you scroll down here, you will find the student's journal. So here you can find the archives as well. If you click here, you can see the journal of previous months as well. So in these journals, you will find the different amendments, different case studies, as well as different MCQ as well. So in each of the journal, different topics will be covered from each from CA Foundation, Inter and the Final. So do not forget to study from this journal as well. So these are the 9 best sources to practice MCQ and boost your CA exam preparations. Which source do you use the most? Do let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and also subscribe and turn on notifications for more CA exam tips. See you all in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep succeeding. All the best for your exams.